Welcome, today I'm for the Google Pixel 6a and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Fit on this device. So first, just we can see that the Google Discover is activated, and if you wanna just turn off this feature, you should hold for a while your device screen and then tap the home screen section. After that, you'll see here swipe to access the Google app switcher. Just tap here once to turn off this feature, and now when we swipe with our finger to the right side, we can see that the Google Discover is turned off. If you want to turn on back this option, just hold for a while, tap to the home screen settings and click on the switcher, and now we can see that the Google Discover is activated successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.